ឥឡូវយើងមកមើលការប្រកួតរវាង Basic ជាមួយនឹងក្រុមកីឡា Wales ប្រទេស Wales ណានេះគឺជាឈុតជំរុញ11អ្នកដំបូងរបស់ក្រុមទាំងពីរនេះ Kevin De Bruyne នេះខាងនេះគឺជាខាងក្រុមWales នេះជំរុញ11អ្នកដំបូងរបស់ Wales ហើយនេះគឺជាជំរុញ11អ្នករបស់ Basic មាន Kevin De Bruyne គឺជាប្រធានក្រុមហើយខាងWales គឺជា Davis គឺជាប្រធានក្រុមផងដែរនេះចាប់ដើមការប្រកួតជូនទៅខាងក្រោយវិញទៅឲ្យអ្នកចាំទីកាលនេះលបរបស់ Wales អស់1អស់2ដួលបាត់ទៅហើយលេខ7កັប1កັບ2ទៅតាមបាល់បានចេះឆ្វេងអូត្រង់នេះខុសបានបន្តិចបាល់មកចេញស្ដាមលើត្រង់នេះបាល់ត្រូវបានចេញក្រៅអូប៊ីចូលទីណានេះតែមួយពីខ្សែការពាររបស់Basic ពាក់ឈុតពណ៌បាទផ្ទៃមេឃវារៀងស្តៀងមែនអូកន្លែងនេះចូលមកក្របបាក់តែមកក្បាលពីWales ដែលកីឡាករពាក់ស្លាកលេខ5ល្អមែនតើកន្លែងនេះចុចទៅមកក្បាលភ្លឹបមកនេះ
Still Doku. De Bruyne didn't expect it. It's Liechtenstein. To call him a manager, but to refer to him as a heady notion that Wales for Belgium's bogey team. Bush came into this match on the back of 3 straight. Really hinder Belgians in the process. Teat was caught. Yellow card is coming out. Something that Bellamy felt was absent in their disappointing defeat against England and friendly on third. Asking for a penalty. Onana didn't reach him. Poked into touch by. It's De Bruyne, one each.
Kevin De Bruyne.
The Belgian skipper steps up and delivers.
Mình sao lại đặt cái phân ngon á.
De Ketelaere. In their final matches here. Tedesco, great pace shown there by Harris. He'll get there too. In the end, it needed poking behind. Still Charles De Ketelaere. Gordon James. And by Thomas. De Ketelaere again. Doku. Many arriving.
Bạn lần sủi nè. Mẹ chẳng tì chạm tay bạn chẳng ở tôi nè chạm tì ở bàn tê bạn lần đưa nè vậy chạm bạn lần về tới chỉ bạn về tới sủi từ ngày nào lên phong nào mới như lột cầm đó đấy rồi bạn lươn nào mới chẳng này rồi okay.
He should really have done better, at least hit the target. Artur Teat. Kazakhstan, the next 2 opponents after this one. Nico Williams, De Ketelaere in support. Doku. Rode on with an all-important Raskin, risky square ball to his goalkeeper there. De Bruyne with the corner. Onana's header. Wilson tried to chest it down, instead he stands it up. I wonder whether he could have took that first time. Quick for Cabango.
Được cùng một clock tiếp. Bánh chạp ơi. Cũng rất cái là có superstar được tận bánh chạp đá này. Nhưng mà một tận bánh chạp đấy, bánh chạp ấy nhưng còn khôi trận, còn bại trận. Nhưng mà chơi pass superstar không? Cái leader superstar kia lên nơi tốt. Bánh chạm được dây đá này. Chỉ như cùng khôi trận đây. តែយើង
Sorba
មើលការប្រកបត
Thomas
ទៀត ឥ
was
ឡូវ
on
មួយ
the
ទ
far
ល់ 7
side,
ណា
Kitala through the middle. Could have easily gone into his own net from Harry Wilson. As it is, it's a pretty decent clearance. Well, in tight areas by Belgium. De Bruyne. Reflection puts it behind for another corner. Nice ball inside. Wilson looked for a teammate.
I mean,
He
at
could have
time.
easily gone himself. Fine margins tonight around the corner. Nico Williams. Onana with them that they can hurt the Belgians. So then Doku, he's got through here.
Doku
Can he pick
ជី
the
ស្នាមអត់
pass?
ចូលទេ
Davis. Good looking ball in for Harry. De Bruyne. Correct. And Johnson so often big game player for club and country. Doku, Davis. Won by De Kuiper.
មួយទល់2ដដែលនៅខាង Brazil ប្រហែល2វ៉ែនៅនៅបានប្រកបដដែលទេ
Nearly conceded a corner. It is a goal kick in the end. It's actually a defeat to Israel in previous edition of the Nations League. That's nice layoff there.
ចោលមួយ
Toss the ball to Amperdine Wilson. Harris on the half turn. Cabango against Sassuolo. James making the run. He's been well at Kazakhstan after that yellow card. De Bruyne with the ball in. Win, lose or draw, he will know how to react. Again, Davis is in space. Thomas with the ball in. Well played Cabango, stuck at it. This is where he's dangerous. Doku! Straight at Darlow. Equalise. Belgium would love a third goal. That's awkward for Darlow. He's headed it straight to Van Aken. Now Trossard.
ដំណឹងទីទៀត
He's done it once, and De Bruyne
ចូលទៀតមកគ្រាប់ទៀត
scores
3
again from the penalty
Bảy.
spot.
3ទល់នឹង1វ៉ែនមួយ
Darlow gets
basic
right on
3
this occasion, but Belgium now have breathing room.
នេះរកគ្រាប់បាល់ដោយ
Meunier's
Kevin
goal
De Bruyne
sandwiched between a pair
Ball
of Kevin
tọt
De
penalty
Bruyne
ta,
penalties. James away from Doku with the
មាន
cross.
តូននេះ3គ្រាប់
Meunier's header. Thomas with the cross, the flick from Harris is not far away. Flag has now gone up, I think for the still not cleared. Castagne, too much play and running at Meunier. Belgium double up with Meunier. In. There is more. Up to the wrong player in Johnson. Trossard, Kiefer Moore, and now Broadhead.
គ្រាប់វិញនៅសល់
Game on.
2ទល់នឹង3នៅសល់មួយគ្រាប់ទៀតបានមួយគ្រាប់វិញនេះ wow
It's the
No,
Wrexham
maintain
factor
on me.
that's done it. Moore and Broadhead causing
លេខ
problems.
23បានមិញ
Castagne,
តិចស៊ីទៀត ស៊ីទៀតមែន
Trossard, and makes sure